Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix wireless adapter missing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to select the view tab on the top and select show hidden devices, and now select the network adapters option and select action tab and select scan for hardware changes option. Close stuff here. And now go to search menu and type find and fix network problems. Click on open it. Select next option. Select troubleshoot my connection to the internet. After getting done, just close tab here and go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. And now type here netsk space winsock space reset and press enter. After getting done, just close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Type here netcfg space minus d and press enter. And now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.